Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Shman J. I had to cut the plastic on here because of the way this thing is, but I got the Pixel Slate finally in. I got the 8 gig Core i5 128 gig model, and I'm gonna give you my rundown of this thing. Oh, nice. Alright, lift here. Wow, it's got a little bit more weight than I was anticipating. Here you just looks like you got some manuals, not interested in that. And then you have the charging brick, we'll get to that later. You got a 3.5mm dongle and a Type-C. So let's get out of here. Is there anything else under here? Nope, that's it. So let's get into the tablet itself. I already purchased screen protectors for this, so that's going to be good to put on.